Welcome to Kapadokya, Nevşehir, my mom's hometown. We are in Nevşehir.
Siyah, çekirdekli siyah.
With our relatives, we are going to visit the districts of Nevşehir today. Uçhisar Castle.
Otur.
It's a perfect room. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Make sure to take your time, and it is better if you come early. If it is summer, heat is a bit too much. Get some water with you always. I feel like I wanna spend like half an hour in every scene. We are in Göreme Open Air Museum. We have our museum pass card. For tourists, it's 400 Turkish liras, 3 days in Cappadocia area. If you buy 4,000 Turkish liras, you can visit for 15 days around Turkey.
Telefon alayım da çekeyim.
They say this is the kitchen cooking area. I just heard from the guy, and they cook here. These are like shelves, and this is dark because of the smoke. And that one is chimney. To go the smoke off. And next to this kitchen, there is a dining room.
This were also historical paintings. They were Christian, but also they made this kind of vandalism. But in 8th century, 800 to 43, that process has been over, and they start.
So we are out. It took about an hour. Definitely you should come early in the morning. There are so many people, it's very hot. Not enjoyable weather in August. But all the churches were beautiful from 11th century. Very old, and still the paintings are visible, beautiful.
Hani fotoğraftı?
We came to our relatives' garden and orchard area. They have village house here. Sun is setting.
Bir sellerde şey yaparlarsa aslında.
Ben burada çok diken vardım.
Tamam, look at this.
Şunları atayım mı? Şunlar bir şey.
Hala hep ilaç isteyelim. Acı mı? Değil.
Hayır. Abo, bak. Sordular. Hayır. Ay çizerim. Yuvarlak.
Evet.
Anne havza.
O zaman da düşündük zaten hemşek dedik.
Evet.
Meryem şuradan bardak geçsene.
2 defa gördüm.
I came to see the balloons early in the morning. It's about 5:50, 10 minutes to sunrise. It is so breezy and beautiful right now. Perfect time to discover around. I'm happy that I'm here now. Even if you ride a balloon or not, before sunrise come here. This is perfect spot to watch. It was beautiful and free. Oh my god. I just tasted someone's lunch in the shop. They were beginning to eat the Nevşehir tava we cooked yesterday.
Nevşehir tava.
Our Nevşehir. I said, oh, this is the one. All three of them just get off from the table and invited me to try. Ya yok olmaz sağ ol. Teşekkür ederim. I said no. They said please do. Gerçekten. And I gave it a try. Ay vallahi ayıp oldu ya. Dur bakayım şimdi o zaman. Yorum yaparım.
Ekmek arası yapayım mı abla sana şunu? He?
And it was very delicious. These are the yufkas I'm talking about. I tasted a little bit, but it's not the same that I remember from my childhood. Because the flour is different, probably how they make it is different. And you cannot find it anymore, unfortunately. Sadece nohut mayası mı?
Evet.
Bu
165 demlidir. Var.
odun fırına mı?
Evet, saç fırın.
Taş fırın.
Karşı kesim. Kadın da yaptırabiliriz yani. Kadın yaptırayım mı?
Olabilir. Oh, tamam. Tasting. Kuru kıyma. Pideyi böyle açık mı yapıyorlar? Kaşarlı normal anladım. This is like hanging bread we call askıda ekmek, which means you buy and you just hang it here and someone needy just grabs for free. And I'm gonna do one here now.
Nereye çıktı?
Evet.
Lan çek artık. Ne çekiyor?
Normal.
Sade normal.
Ekstra bir şey yok.
Hemen ekmek yapacağım.
Aa olur. Kaşar mı var? Bir de yumurta.
Kıymayla kaşar.
Ne kadar yapıyorsunuz?
Bunu kendileri getirir. Biz sade ekmeğini döktük yani.
55, 35, 55. 10 tane. 35.
After seeing how beautiful it looks, I decided to give it a try and ordered mixed cheese pita. And while I wait, the hanging breads that I bought got a request from a young mom and her daughter. I found a nice spot in Nevşehir Municipality's garden. I'm eager to try. Got some ayran. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is still very hot. Real deal. Especially the mix of with tulum and kashar. The tulum like a pungy taste has. Very good. Next I'm gonna try this Nevşehir simit. It says simit but the shape is like this. The yeast is made from chickpeas. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It doesn't have much salt and I get a flavor of anise, probably because of the fermentation of the chickpeas, I don't know. This would go well with cheese, olives, like traditional breakfast, maybe with grapes, but separately it is a bit dry, but still nice. We are in Kurşunlu Mosque. It is from 17th century. There was renovation. It was closed and they are opening it back today. Elhamdülillah, we are lucky to be able to see it.
3. Murat'ın damadı Damat İbrahim Paşa yaptı.
Evet. Teşekkür ederiz. This hammam is also part of the structure and it is from 1727.
Onun bir ton açıyor. Aynısı. Aynı.
Ben vereyim mi?
Geldi mi de?
Evde yumuyorsun. Gir daha.
Yani.
Yemekleri veriyor mu?
Yok yok. Çorba mı? Ha, onu. Onlar yani annem gelip onlar.
Elma saplam yapar şeyden, yarmadan. Yapar.
Artık alıştınız, ben de.
Çek.
Ne doldurayım mı?
Doldur.
Hı?
Doğal.
Ha, koyabilirsin.
Nasıl bakmadan seveceğiz.
Evet, çok güzel geldi.
Yeme tamam ye.
Return back here, now we are in Istanbul.
So you moved back to Turkey?
Yes.
Why?
They put earth onto the roots in the air.
Bizim için et başrolde.